Solve 10x minus 7 equals 38x plus 49. We want to solve for the variable x. There are more x's on this side. There's 38 of them, and there's 10 here. So we'll collect the x's on the right-hand side. In that case, that means we're going to collect the constants on the left-hand side. So in one step, I will subtract 10x from both sides, and I will subtract 49 from both sides. So we have 10x minus 7 minus 10x minus 49 equals 38x plus 49 minus 10x minus 49. On the left-hand side, 10x minus 10x sums to 0. Negative 7 minus 49 is negative 56. On the right-hand side, the 49 minus 49 sums to 0. 38x minus 10x is 28x. Now, divide both sides by 28. We can remove a factor of 1, 28 over 28, giving us the result x equals, and then a negative divided by a positive. Unlike signs, the answer is negative. 56 divided by 28 is 2. Our answer, x equals negative 2, and it does check. So the solution is negative 2.